Polar Bears by Vaibhav Gandikota, a story written by him, a book. Introduction. Polar bears live in the Arctic region.
You have to show it.
It is also cold there that no one will want to go to the Arctic. If you go there, you might see polar bears. So go there if you want to. Polar bears are large mammals. Polar bears weigh 700 to 1600 pounds or 317 to 725 kilograms. Polar bears have big paws and thick white fur. I think that the polar bear is looking for food in this picture.
That's the caption.
Polar bears live on the ice of the Arctic coast. Polar bears use their webbed paws to swim in the cold water. Polar bears live along shores and on sea ice on the icy cold Arctic. Polar bears usually hunt and live alone. In the wild, polar bears live about 25 years. The part colored in the map is where polar bears live. So that colored part is where polar bears live.
A map key.
Polar bears eat seals, fish, and walruses. They wait by a seal's breathing hole in the ice. They attack when they spot their prey. A polar bear may also hunt by swimming beneath the ice. Polar bears eat dead whales and walruses. Polar bears use their strong sense of smell to hunt the seals. Here. This is what a polar bear eats, seals. It has to watch out to see if a polar bear might eat him. Polar bear babies are called cubs. Most female polar bears give birth to 2 cubs at a time. Cubs are born in a snow den. The helpless babies grow bigger as they drink their mother's milk. The cubs learn how to hunt and survive on their own in just 18 to 30 months. Polar bears have big paws and thick white fur. Polar bears live along shores and on sea ice in the icy cold Arctic. Polar bears really hunt and live alone in the wild polar. Polar bears live about 15 years. Polar bears have been known to swim 60 miles at a time. This is a picture of a polar bear swimming.
That was the caption.
Conclusion. I think in future polar bears will be in danger because of an avalanche of snow falling, and they will need our help a lot. That same people will have to go to the Arctic at the bottom of the earth. It's so far away.
Some people.
Some people. It's so far away from almost everywhere on the earth, even North America.
Glossary index.
These are the glossary of the terms. This is the index. Okay? It's a lovely book written by Vaibhav Gandikota.